Hello there and welcome to IMTV, the Industrial Minerals News Programme. Coming up today, will 2014 bring some much-needed positivity for industrial minerals markets? Focus Graphite offtake sees partnership with China, and Base Resources set to begin Kwale shipments in February. First today, it's no secret 2013 was a difficult year for those working in industrial minerals as prices tumbled and investment remained thin on the ground. Now, as we enter a new year, many are asking, will 2014 be better? Forecasters have said mining companies will continue to face challenging conditions, including rising costs, falling commodity prices, supply and demand imbalances, and decreased productivity. In graphite, for example, IM data analysts think an improvement is unlikely until Q2 or 3 this year, but suspensions in China will take some supply off the market and could lead to higher prices soon. There's a similar story in the fluorspar market, as few expect a significant recovery before the second half of 2014. Backlogs in the supply chain will continue to affect fluorspar demand throughout Q1, while weak fluorochemical demand is likely to weigh heavy on the industry for much of the year. Meanwhile, demand for refractory minerals such as magnesia, andesite, bauxite and alumina is expected to increase as steel production begins to rise in Europe and North America. Continued success is also expected in the oil-filled markets as the fracking frenzy continues around the world. To find out more about how this market is progressing in the Middle East, sign up today for the latest oil-filled minerals roundtable discussion taking place in Abu Dhabi on the 27th to the 29th of January. To register, simply click on the events tab on the website. Next, in Canada's Focus Graphite has secured an offtake agreement for 40,000 TPA of future flake graphite supply from its Lac Knife project in Quebec. Signed with an unnamed Chinese conglomerate, the agreement will secure the sale of large medium flake graphite and fines in a deal that could equate to 40,000 TPA for 10 years. With Focus aiming to produce over 44,000 TPA from the Lac Knife mine, the deal secures sales for nearly all of the scheduled production. Titanium dioxide feedstock producer Base Resources is expected to begin exporting from its Kwale mine in February. Originally anticipated to begin exporting in December, the company has now said that the first 25,000-ton shipment of ilmenite will go ahead next month. Base Resources is looking to produce, on average, 330,000 TPA of ilmenite, 79,000 TPA of rutile and 30,000 TPA of zircon in the first 7 years of operations. The company is expected to carry 15 bulk shipments each year through offtake agreements, which will be for 100% of rutile, 30% of ilmenite and 52% of zircon output volumes. And finally, 2 further frac sand companies have been fined by the Wisconsin Department of Justice for pollution violations. Interstate Energy Partners and Tillicor have agreed to pay $80,000 to settle the case after sediment from a frac sand mine infiltrated the Kwale River. This is the 3rd Wisconsin case of its kind since mid-December. Preferred Sands was ordered to pay $200,000 for stormwater violations late last year, while Completion Industrial Minerals was fined $80,000 for air pollution violations at its frac sand processing facility in Marshfield. That's it for now, but before we go, don't forget to sign up for the Oil-Filled Minerals Middle East taking place in Abu Dhabi at the end of this month. For more information, simply click on the Events tab on www.indmin.com. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.